Good day, viewers. It's an overcast evening, about 6, a little after 6 in the evening. Today I'm going to do a little grass cutting. Actually, this is video of me cutting grass over 2 different days. Wearing an orange shirt, and both of them not the same shirt. Today I'm going to talk about how to operate a zero-turn lawnmower. We'll do a little bit of cutting, but I'm going to stop and show you how to operate a zero-turn lawnmower. So if you ever wondered, give a listen. Before we get started today, who wants the first slurp on my dum-dum? Oh, you didn't speak up quick enough. I guess I got it. Here we go. All right, viewers, let's take a minute and talk about zero-turn lawnmower. A good many of you may never have driven a zero-turn lawnmower. I know when I put my son James on it, turned him loose, I figured he'd figure it out real quick. But instead, he ran into my truck. So I'll explain a little bit about my idea of how to operate a zero-turn lawnmower. And maybe it'll help some of you out if you ever get to trying to drive one. You got to realize there's no foot brake. There's no steering wheel. That must have been a spider. I got him off my neck now. Think of it as you're sitting in a rowboat. You ever rowed a boat? With these two controls here, controls the 2 rear wheels. This controls the left rear wheel. This one over here controls the right rear wheel. If I want the left rear wheel to go backwards, I pull back on it. Just like rowing a boat. If I want the boat to go that way, I pull back on the oar. pull them both back, the boat will go back straight. Push them both forward, the boat will go forward. Pull one back and one forward, the boat will turn. So let's watch me drive it one time and see. Just remember, if you want to stop, put it in the middle position. Middle is stop, forward is go, back is reverse. And it doesn't take long to really get the hang of it. I mean, you can flat come up to a curve and go around it. I've got the blade turned off, so I'll just do a little negotiating here for a minute. And just think about how everything's with your hands. I know the first time you get on it, it feels really weird, but it takes about maybe one time of cutting the grass to really get the hang of it. And once you get used to it, you'll never want to go back to a riding lawnmower. At least I know I don't. Riding lawnmower beats you to death, turning that steering wheel every time you get to the corner. It'd wear you out. This thing here, you don't even tighten your muscles. You pull these controls back and forth, pull it go just a little bit, it'll go slow. Push it all the way forward, this thing will fly. So here we go. Watch how I do these controls. Nothing to it. A child can do it if you teach them how. One final little bit on my video on how to operate a zero-turn lawnmower. I'd like to point out the fact all I am doing on this thing is I'm just along for the ride. I don't strain my muscles. The hardest muscle I strain is my brain to think with. And I barely move these controls because it turns so easily and quickly. You just barely move these controls. So I'm not even tightening my muscles. I'm completely relaxed sitting here in this seat. Whereas with a riding lawnmower, you're pushing the brake pedal, you're flipping levers, you're turning the steering wheel. And you're not comfortable at all sitting straddled in that seat like a little yard tractor or something. This thing here, I'm like in an easy chair watching YouTube, or I'm out on the lake somewhere rowing my boat. Let's row the boat.